Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do another spell it and read it. I want you to help me spell the word and then read the word. We're looking at the long U words. H-U-M-A-N, human. The long U is spelled U. Now you say the word human. U-N-I-T, unit. The long U is spelled with U. Unit. F-U-E-L, fuel. Fuel. The long U is spelled again with U. Read the word. Fuel. M-U-S-I-C, music. The long U, sound spelling is just U. Read the word. Music. M-U-T-E, mute. The long U is spelled U-blank-E. Read the word. Mute. C-U-B-E, cube. The long U is spelled U-blank-E. Read the word. Cube. H-U-G-E, huge. The long U is spelled U, consonant E. Read the word. Huge. F-U-M-E-S, fumes. The long U is spelled U, consonant E. Read the word. Fumes. I don't think I can hear you. Be sure you're helping me. U-N-I-T-E, unite. The long U is spelled with U. Read the word. Unite. A-M-U-S-E, amuse. The long U is spelled U, consonant E. Read the word. Amuse. Now, you're going to do the worksheet that has 65 at the bottom. And this is the E-R, spelled E-A-R, and the long E spelled blank E-Y. The rule is one way to spell the sound is E-A-R. The vowel sounds of the letters E and A are controlled by the letter R. One way for the long E can be spelled blank E-Y. And some two examples are yearn, spelled E-A-R for the and monkey, spelled E-Y for the long E. So you are going to put any of the words that have the E-A-R, underneath the word, this column E-A-R, the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. For example, in your word list, I've circled the E-A-R in the word earth. So earth would go below E-A-R, at the number 1. On the other heading is long E spelled E-Y. So you're going to put any word that has E-Y underneath the heading E-Y. For the challenge words, you will draw a line or either just write the words underneath the correct heading. On the back side, you have to circle the correct spelling for each word. You're going to write the correct spelling on the line. You can turn your paper over to look at the word list to check yourself to make sure you're circling the correct spelling. Please be sure that you do write the words correctly and it is neat. Your first one is the word music. Number 10 is the word unit. Number 11, the word fumes. And number 12, the word mute. Below this, you have numbers 13, 14, 15, and 16, where you write the spelling word next to its meaning clue. So I have the word list, a picture here beside it, and you can pause the video when I get through with the instructions so that you will have the word list in front of you with the word meaning. Number 13 is great size. Which of the words over here means great size? Now these are the words that we just got through blending in the video together. Number 1 is human, 2, unit, 3, fuel, 4, music, 5, mute, 6, cube, 7, huge, 8, fumes. These are the words you will choose from for the meanings. Again, number 13 was great size. Which of these words means a great size? You will write it on the line. Number 14 is used to produce heat or power. Which of these words means that it is used to produce heat or power? Number 15 is a solid shape with 6 equal sides. Choose from your word list, write it on the line. And number 16 is a person. Choose from the word list and write it on the line. I will have on the next slide the pages with instructions again, but if you would like, you can pause the video here so that you can see the word list to help you complete the back side of your paper. Remember, handwriting is important.